everybody, welcome back to Life in Asheville. I'm Jessica Jackson, realtor here at Town & Mountain Realty, and I'm excited to take you down some country roads today to visit 3 areas just northwest of Asheville. Today we're going to explore Alexander, Leicester, and Candler. Buckle up. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm one of 3 agents on the Life in Asheville team. We're creating this as a resource for folks who may be looking to relocate to the area, or maybe locals who just want some more information on this beautiful place we call home. If you're interested in talking with one of us, you can give us a call, shoot us an email, or book a call with using the link in the description below. Be sure to like and subscribe because we've got great videos coming and we don't want you to miss out. Let's dive in. Today we are exploring 3 towns that are just west of the Asheville area. We're going to start with the little town that is the most north of the 3, and that is Alexander. First, let's start with Alexander. Alexander is a small, unincorporated community along the French Broad River. You can see that the river flows right through it. And it offers a mix of riverside living and then also open farmland. This is a very rural area compared to Asheville City. It's about 30 minutes to Asheville with only 15 minutes to Weaverville. So Weaverville would be one of the places that you would consider for the closest grocery stores and restaurants if you were living in Alexander. In Alexander, you will notice that you do have a little post office here. That post office was established in 1881. It just kind of adds to the rustic charm of the area. You will see some older barns as you're driving through the Alexander communities, beautiful long-range mountain views, and then sort of hillsides and valleys of the farmland are sort of the surroundings in this area. There is an Auto Camp Asheville nearby in Alexander where you can go camp in vintage Airstream campers and spend an evening on the river. You'll notice that there's also some river park accesses. Here we have Alexander River Park and then Ledges Whitewater River Park on the other end. These 2 river parks flank the upper and lower portions of what's considered the Alexander area. Alexander's location provides the best of both worlds. You've got the tranquility of rural living with the convenience of nearby towns. I mean, you can see here just Alexander's on the map, and not far down Monticello Road, you'll have the Walmart Supercenter. There's a Publix in Weaverville and in Ingalls. So super close, again, that 15 minutes really to get to things that you need. It's an ideal spot for families or individuals looking for a slower pace of life, beautiful mountain views, feel like you're in the country, okay? The average home sales price in Alexander is right around $418,000, and that's pretty good compared to Asheville being right under $600,000. You can find homes with larger lots in the Alexander area, and you can also find some neighborhoods and some developments. As we leave Alexander, let's head a little further west down to Leicester. You can see here that Leicester, you can get there from Alexander taking Old Leicester Highway. You can also access Leicester through Asheville off of Patton Avenue and then get on the new Leicester Highway, which is this bold white line here running through the town of Leicester. Leicester is a really peaceful rural community. It's about 10 miles northwest of Asheville. It's known for its rolling hills and pastoral landscapes. It's a perfect blend of country living with proximity to Asheville City. But also you have lots of great amenities right here along the new Leicester Highway. So you have access to restaurants, grocery stores, clinics for medical services, a post office, banks, all the things that you'll need will be along Leicester Highway. It's ideal for those who are seeking a quiet, spacious environment without sacrificing access to Asheville's amenities, okay? It's also known for its really strong sense of community. And I find that one of the hubs of that community in the Leicester area can be the Leicester Public Library. So you can see here that the library is also close to the community center. Both of these places offer opportunities for people in that area to come together, whether it's for a farmer's market or a community garden opportunity or different events throughout the year. These 2 places are within minutes of one another. And even though we don't have a sense of like a downtown area in Leicester, you can get plugged into the community very easily by attending the opportunities at the library or at the community center. The public library has really beautiful views all around it. The garden outside is gorgeous. There are work days where people can come and volunteer to work in the garden, and people can come there to, grow vegetables and pick vegetables and have that whole gardening experience, even if it's not something that you have just in your backyard, which would also be easy to do if you are living in the Leicester area. Okay, if you go to Leicester, be sure to travel down New Leicester Highway just a little bit further here, right before you head into Sandy Mush, and check out Addison Farms Vineyard. You can get a taste of local wine, take a hike on one of the nearby trails. Just a beautiful spot to come and take in the beautiful mountains in the Leicester area. Also, I'd recommend checking into the Facebook page for the Leicester Community Center. It makes it really easy to connect with neighbors in the area. There's a farmer's market there every Wednesday from 3 to 6. And I have to say that for a town without a downtown, there's a really strong sense of community in Leicester. Now let's take a look at the real estate in Leicester. So in Leicester, the average home price is around $363,000. Again, that's compared to almost $600,000 in the Asheville area. And here are some examples of sold inventory in Leicester. And I just want you to note here that I'm also including the acreage for these featured homes, just to show you that you can acquire some land when you purchase a home in Leicester. There are also some gated communities in the Leicester area if you're looking for something that is a little more, like streamlined with some amenities like a community pool, security, or just an HOA that provides opportunities for people to get together as well. Okay, last but not least, we're going to come on back into Asheville and then head a little more west over to Candler. Okay, Candler is a growing community. It's located just 10 miles southwest of Asheville. So you see here's Asheville. We're just going to hop on 240, then cut to 40, and there we are in Candler. Candler has great mountain views, a lot of local businesses, and a strong sense of community, particularly around the Buncombe County School District there, which is the Inca School District. So go Jets. There's a lot of community sense of togetherness in supporting the students and the athletics and the band and all the great things that come out of the Inca School District. It's a popular choice for those who are looking to be close to Asheville while enjoying some more affordable housing options in Candler. We have stunning views of Mount Pisgah, and it's a gateway, the Candler area, to some of the best hiking that we have in Western North Carolina. You can visit the historic Pisgah Ranch. Also check out some of the local restaurants and food trucks in the Candler area. There's really something for everyone here. You can see that if we're in Candler here, we can come down this way, and then you would be at Looking Glass Falls, which is a great hiking spot. It connects to the Pisgah Forest. And Mount Pisgah itself is actually really easy to see from a lot of different places in Candler. The average home price in Candler is around $414,000. Again, we're comparing that to Asheville at right under $600,000. You'll notice that in all the areas of Candler to neighborhoods, and further out alike, you're going to see a range of prices. And that's true for Leicester and Alexander as well, because these areas, like most places, are going to have higher price points for larger tracts of land, larger square footage, and of course, mountain views come often with a higher price point as well. Whether you are drawn to the rural charm of Leicester, the riverside beauty of Alexander, or the community spirit of Candler, each of these areas offers a unique lifestyle just minutes from Asheville. If you're considering a move to the area, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you to find your perfect home in Western North Carolina. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we look forward to hearing from you. Bye.